What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome to my channel. My name is Bobby. So you guys, as you see from the title, today I will be unboxing my brand new Apple Watch SE. You guys, I want to let you all know that this is the first time that I've ever had an Apple Watch. So this review is absolutely new to me. Well, this unboxing is absolutely new to me. I haven't had an Apple Watch before. So if any of you have an Apple Watch or have not had an Apple Watch and you wanting to know how the Apple Watch SE looks or anything like that, I hope that this video can give you a first-hand look at it, and we both will be looking at it together. But yeah, I'm about to unbox my Apple Watch SE. And actually I have already took the plastic off earlier. Last night actually I was going to open it, but I said, you know what, I'm just going to do an unboxing video of it so we can see it together, you guys. So this is the back of it, and it has like little flaps you can open it. So I'm going to be still talking to you guys, but I'm going to put the camera down to show you how the watch look while I'm talking. Okay, so as you see from the front, it has the Apple and the watch, and we're going to turn it over to the back. And the color that I do have is the space gray aluminum case black sports band, and I do have it in 44 mm. Okay, so what we're going to do is open it up. We pull the little flaps up like that. Oh, wow. So as you see when you open it, it has the inside design of the different bands, which is cool. I like the packaging. Okay, set that to the side. Okay, and when you open it, you do have two boxes, which is the actual Apple Watch SE, and then you have the band. So I'm going to open the band first. Let's see. I decided to get black. I was going to get the other color, I think it was like a pink, but I decided to get black because for right now, since this is my first one, and you know, black pretty much can go with anything until, you know, I want to get the hang of the Apple Watch before I start to buy other bands and everything. I want to actually see how it goes. But anyway, yeah, this Apple Watch actually came out last year. Is practically brand new. It's the SE, and I also have the iPhone SE as well. That came out last year, and I got that. I got the iPhone SE 2nd generation. So yeah. Anyway, when you open it, it does have instructions on the inside. Let's see, and this is how it looks. All right, let's see, it shows medium large. This is the medium large band, and this is the small medium band. So most likely, let me take this watch off. Most likely I'll probably need, I'm going to try the medium large because my wrist is kind of a little thick. So I'm going to go ahead and take that out. I'm going to take this one out, and this is the piece that snaps to it. I'm going to take this plastic off. And it's really smooth. I like the way it feels. It's really soft. Okay. Let's see what this says. Okay, and how you attach it, you slide it on it. So what we're going to do is I'm going to open, put this to the side. I'm going to open the actual watch, and let's see. Hello. This is how it looks when you open the box. It's right over here on the side. And okay, these are instructions as well in the inside on how to open it, how to slide on your bands. So I'm gonna put that back in there. You know what, I'm gonna leave that out so I can look at the instructions on there. And behind it is the charger. I don't think this comes with the adapter. No. So it is a USB charger, and this is how it looks. Oh wow, I didn't expect this. So I'm gonna have to learn how to charge it. I would say to charge magnetically attach the charger to the back of the case. Oh, it goes to the back. So this is how the charger looks to charge it. I actually thought it was like the ones you use for the iPhone, but you attach it to the phone like it says. I mean, you attach it to the watch like it says right there. So we're going to try that out as well. And I do have an adapter because, like I said, it doesn't come with it, and I have plenty of these around the house. So I'm just going to sit this to the side. And let's actually take the watch out. This is how it looks packaged. And we're going to open it. Let's see. Look at the pretty little thing. Oh, this is how it looks. You guys can see that. It's so cute. All right, so let me get my instructions. Like I said, this is the first time I've ever had an Apple Watch, so I need to read the instructions. All right, open the band box and follow the steps to attach your band to your Apple Watch. So, as it shows there, just slide it on, and there's the location where you slide them on. So, we're going to slide let's get these other instructions. Where are you? Okay. What did I do? Okay, here it goes, the box. All right, so we're going to slide on, you attach the band. As it says here, we're going to attach, turn it this way. We're going to attach this part onto the top. And I'm assuming that you turn it, okay, you turn it to the back. Okay, and you slide this part onto it. Like that. Yay! I got that part on. And then you do the bottom. As you see, it has a little opening there as well. And I'm going to slide that on. Okay, am I doing it wrong? Uh-oh. Okay, I was going the wrong way. All right. So now I have the band on, and while I was putting it on, I missed and turned it on. So that's how it looks with the band on, attached, and I turned it on. So let's see what's next. I'm just going to put this to the side and see how it looks on my arm. That is tight enough for you. You guys, I'm sorry. Like I said, this is my first time, so bear with me. I'm trying to see how to do this. I think I'm going to use okay, that's about the third from the top, and then you put it through the hole, and it goes through the back. So different from a regular watch that goes like through and then put it through, you know, it's on top. Completely different. It goes through the back. So here it looks on my arm. Okay, you guys, now that I have, as you see, I'm going to put up my phone on the screen so you guys can see it. But as you see, I have the Apple Watch ready. And once you put the phone, your iPhone, by the Apple Watch, it will show the Apple Watch. Use your iPhone to set up this Apple Watch. Continue. Okay, and I'm going to be setting it up for myself. All right, put your Apple Watch and hold it up to the camera, as I'm doing right here. Okay, and now it says your Apple Watch is paired. Okay, set up Apple Watch, and as you see, it looks just like mine. I have the aluminum case. On which wrist do you wear your Apple Watch? I usually wear it on my right, so I'm going to put right. Sorry guys, I'm going to put on my right wrist, and I'm just waiting for that to pull up. Okay, now that it's finished syncing. Welcome to the Apple Watch. My watch face gallery, Apple Watch app. So I'm going to hit OK. And as you see on the watch, your watch is ready. Press the digital crown to start. Okay, that makes it bigger. You turn the knob to make it the display bigger. Oh, you go up. Oh. Press to return to the watch face. So press this. There it goes, you guys. Okay, so this is the watch face. Update complete. What's new? Blah 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 blah. Which I'll look through later. As you see, you can go through and kind of just play with it. See what all you need to do. Right now, I guess that is the face of my. That was the face of it. And you can change it to white, or you can change, let me see if it changed. No, I guess you have to hit it. You can change it to white, or you can keep it as black. I have the multicolor. I'm going to keep it as that. Anyway, I'm going to sit here and play with it, you guys. But I just wanted to show you all how it actually looks. That's the activity. You can go through and set that. Like I said, I'm going to go back and do that later. There it is, the face gallery. So when you go to the face gallery, you will see, turn this back on. When you go to the face gallery, you will see there are different faces that you can choose from. As I scroll through, you'll see a whole bunch of them. I seen this actually on another video on YouTube, so that's how I kind of know that there is a lot of faces that you can choose from. But right now, I really don't know which one I want to choose. I do like the flower. I like the butterfly. And it says motion, so I think those move on the screen. So let me see. And they have the emoji ones. I think I'm going to pick the butterfly for right now, just to kind of see how it would look on the watch. And now that I picked that, I'm going to pull it up just to see how it looks. Faces you add to appear in your watch. There it goes, and there it goes. Look how beautiful that is. The little butterfly. Yes. So you guys, now that I've shown you on the phone how to set it up and everything like that. But like I said, for me, I'm going to have to go in later and play with it and, you know, see what else that is on there. And these are basically a lot of my apps. Most of my apps. I think this is all of the apps that are on there. But I love how it looks. Look how they're like really small, and some of them look a little different than on the phone. But I have my Bible app. I have everything on here that I had, and this is like so cool. And my pictures, let me just see if I can pull up one picture to kind of show how it looks. Yes. Oh my goodness, you guys. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Let me see if I can just pull it up. That's just an old picture of me and my husband. But yes, I love it, you guys. I think I'm really going to love this watch. Okay, so now to show how to charge it, I'm going to get the charger, plug it up, and see how this works, you guys. We're going to see how it goes together. All right. Over far enough. Okay, and I think that you just want that. I think that you kind of, I don't know if you use this side or this, oh, use that side. Oh. So I'm going to put the charger in, put the charger on the back here. And I think you use the side that has the little dent in it so that the little, as you can see, the dent from it, or the little curve, as I should say, and put it on there. And that is how it charges. Cool. So cool. I love it. I don't know if any of the other watches are like this, but anyway, you guys, yes, this is the menu on it. I can click the workout, I can put the activity on there, music, messaging, the time, and then like I said, all the apps that are on there. So yeah, while it charges. Oh, you guys, I love it. I think I'm gonna love this watch. Yes. Okay, go back to the home screen. And that is where you click on the time. As you see, the little lightning up there let you know it's still charging. So you guys, that's going to be it for this video. I hope that this video was a little helpful for you guys. And like I said, this is my first time getting an Apple Watch. So I'm learning as well as I am unboxing and showing you guys. So if you like this video, be sure to give me a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already subscribed. I will be doing a lot of other product reviews here on this channel. So if you like things like that, be sure to subscribe to my channel. You guys, I thank you so much for watching. I will see you all in the next one. Peace.